Hey everyone, I'm Jonathan, your go-to guide for all things health and wellness. I used to think detoxing meant chugging lemon water and crossing my fingers for a week. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. And trust me, my stomach was not a fan. Then there was the juice cleanse phase. Let's just say I got way too familiar with my bathroom. And don't even get me started on the detox tea craze. Pretty sure I just paid a lot for fancy laxatives. I used to think detoxing meant starving myself or buying expensive miracle products. But real detoxing is about giving your body the tools it needs to do its job. The job it's been doing since forever. First up, water. Our bodies love it. Who knew? Oh, right, everyone. I started carrying a water bottle everywhere. Now I'm that person who pees every 30 minutes. Sorry, not sorry. Next, eat your veggies. Yes, all of them, even broccoli. Your 5-year-old self is crying, but your adult self will thank you. I've learned to love kale. Okay, that's a lie. I've learned to tolerate kale. Baby steps, people. Exercise? Yep, that too. But don't worry, you don't have to become a gym rat, unless you want to, in which case, go nuts. I started with yoga. Turns out I'm about as flexible as a wooden board. But hey, progress is progress. And here's the kicker, sleep. Apparently, binge-watching your favorite show until 3 a.m. isn't great for detoxing. Who would have thought? I've started a bedtime routine. It's like being a kid again, but with less dinosaur pajamas. Although, the transformation is incredible. More energy, clearer skin, and mornings are now a joy. I know, it's surprising, right? Ready to start your detox journey? Your body will be grateful. And who knows, you might even develop a taste for broccoli. It's all about making progress, not being perfect. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with my water bottle.